Imagine waking up one morning and realizing your knees, hips, or fingers don't ache anymore. Not for a day or a week, but for 15 years. Sounds unbelievable, right? But what if relief that long-lasting was actually possible? Today, you'll discover a simple, natural method that could help your joints heal themselves faster than you ever thought possible. Hey there, it's Dr. Alpha. If you've been struggling with stiff, painful joints that make every step feel heavier than the last, this video might just change your life. I'll show you how a simple natural remedy backed by science could restore mobility, reduce inflammation, and keep your joints healthy for years to come. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it and why it works so effectively. Let's dive right in with the first reason this method has been getting so much attention among researchers and seniors alike. 1. The root of joint pain. Before we talk about relief, we need to understand the cause. Most chronic joint pain comes from inflammation, cartilage breakdown, and oxidative stress. Studies show that when inflammation becomes chronic, it damages the soft cushioning between your joints, causing that grinding pain and stiffness. Seniors experience this more because natural collagen production decreases with age, and the body's ability to repair tissue slows down. Even small daily activities, like walking or climbing stairs, can accelerate wear and tear on the joints. The good news? Certain nutrients can counteract this damage, reduce oxidative stress, and encourage repair by stimulating collagen synthesis and boosting circulation to joint tissues. So what can you do to actually rebuild that cushioning and ease inflammation naturally? That brings us to the next part. 2. The 2-teaspoon remedy. Here's the surprising part. Research has shown that just 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil daily can significantly improve joint flexibility and reduce pain. Olive oil isn't just a healthy fat, it's nature's anti-inflammatory powerhouse. It contains a compound called oleocanthal, which works similarly to ibuprofen by blocking the enzymes that cause inflammation in your joints. It's also rich in antioxidants and omega-9 fatty acids that help protect cartilage and reduce stiffness. Seniors who used it daily reported less morning pain, easier movement, and greater comfort during physical activity. You can drizzle it over your salads, mix it into your smoothies, or take it straight by the spoonful. The key is consistency. Using olive oil regularly not only soothes inflammation but also strengthens your joints from within. But olive oil does more than just lubricate your joints. It also helps restore something crucial inside them. 3. Rebuilding cartilage naturally. The magic lies in olive oil's ability to support your body's natural cartilage regeneration. The healthy fats and antioxidants in olive oil protect cartilage cells from damage and stimulate the production of synovial fluid, the slippery substance that cushions your joints. Over time, this protection allows the body to repair worn areas. Clinical studies show that people who consumed olive oil daily experienced improvements in both joint strength and flexibility, especially when combined with a balanced, anti-inflammatory diet. Think of it as giving your joints the building blocks they need to heal. For even greater benefits, combine olive oil with foods rich in collagen or omega-3s, like salmon or bone broth. Now that you know how olive oil helps rebuild cartilage, let's talk about why it provides faster results compared to many other remedies. 4. Rapid inflammation control. Unlike painkillers that only mask symptoms, olive oil addresses the inflammation itself. Oleocanthal and polyphenols in olive oil target inflammatory pathways, reducing swelling and calming your immune system's overreaction. Within just a few weeks, many people notice less joint heat, better flexibility, and easier movement. One study even showed that regular olive oil consumption can lower C-reactive protein, CRP, a key marker of inflammation, leading to lasting improvements. Best of all, it's safe for long-term use and supports your overall heart and brain health too. The result? Relief that lasts years, not days. And that brings us to a critical step most people overlook: hydration and nutrient synergy. 5. Nutrient synergy for lasting relief. Your body needs the right nutrients to fully benefit from olive oil. Combining it with foods rich in vitamin K2, magnesium, and collagen can amplify its effects. These nutrients work together to strengthen bones, rebuild connective tissues, and keep joints flexible. For example, magnesium helps relax tight muscles. K2 directs calcium into bones instead of arteries, and collagen provides raw material for cartilage repair. Pair your 2 teaspoons of olive oil with bone broth, eggs, or grass-fed dairy for maximum results. And don't forget hydration. Even mild dehydration can worsen stiffness because it reduces joint lubrication. Drink plenty of water daily to keep your joints moving smoothly. Before we reveal the best way to use this remedy for maximum results, if you're finding this helpful so far and want more life-changing health tips, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss videos like this. Your support helps us bring you more natural solutions every week. Now, while olive oil is incredibly powerful for joint health on its own, I found that pairing it with the right nutrients can speed up your results even more. And there's one plant in particular that works beautifully alongside everything we've talked about today. You've just learned about the power of olive oil for reducing inflammation and rebuilding cartilage, but what if you could amplify those benefits even more? That's where Moringa Magic comes in. Moringa is called the most powerful plant on the planet for good reason. It's packed with over 90 nutrients, including all 9 essential amino acids, calcium, magnesium, iron, and powerful antioxidants like quercetin that specifically target inflammation at the cellular level. Here's why I recommend it for joint health. Moringa contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds that work similarly to what we've been discussing with olive oil, but with additional bone-strengthening minerals your body needs to repair cartilage and connective tissue. Clinical studies show that Moringa reduces oxidative stress, one of the main culprits behind chronic joint pain, while supporting healthy circulation to deliver those healing nutrients exactly where your joints need them most. What I love about Moringa Magic is that it's 100% pure moringa leaf powder in convenient capsules, so you get all the benefits without any unwanted taste. Just 2 capsules daily, and you're giving your body a complete nutritional boost. Strengthened bones from the calcium and phosphorus, reduced inflammation from the antioxidants, and improved circulation to help your joints heal faster. If you're serious about supporting your joints from the inside out and want to combine the olive oil remedy with something even more powerful, I'll leave a link to Moringa Magic in the description below. They even offer a 60-day money-back guarantee so you can try it risk-free and see how it works with your joint health routine. Now that you know how olive oil works inside your body, let's talk about how to use it correctly so you actually get those long-lasting results. 6. How to use the remedy. Take 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil each day, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. For even better absorption, take it with a meal that contains healthy fats or proteins. Many people start feeling noticeable relief within 2 to 3 weeks, and long-term users often report pain-free movement lasting years. The key is consistency. This isn't a quick fix. It's a natural cumulative process that helps your body repair itself over time. If you want faster results, pair olive oil with low-impact exercises like walking, swimming, or yoga to increase circulation to your joints and help deliver nutrients more effectively. Joint pain doesn't have to be a lifelong struggle. With the right nutrients and consistency, your joints can begin to heal naturally. The key takeaway: reduce inflammation, stay active, and give your body what it needs to repair. Your body has an incredible ability to recover. Support it daily, and you can enjoy lasting strength and pain-free movement for years to come. Have you ever woken up and felt that familiar joint ache first thing in the morning? Which part of your body gives you the most trouble? Your knees, hips, or hands? Share your story in the comments. You might inspire someone else going through the same pain. And if this video gave you hope or helped you learn something new, share it with a friend or family member who's been struggling with joint pain. Relief is possible, and your comment could be the spark that motivates someone else to finally take control of their joint health. You've just learned how to keep your joints pain-free for years, but what about strengthening your bones at the same time? In our next video, we're revealing 5 powerful foods that have more calcium than milk, and they're delicious too. Curious to know which ones can help you build stronger bones naturally? Click here to check it out now.